Hello friends. In this video, we will learn about making our own blocks. In our last video, we learned to make vehicle move using the Arduino command. And for that, for left motor, we use 3 commands. Left motor has pins 2, 3 and 5. 2 and 3 decide the direction, 5 decides the speed. So for 2, if I make it low and 3 high, that moves the left motor in the anti-clockwise direction. And similarly, we then rotated our right motor, which uses pin numbers 4, 7 and 6. Here we need to make 4 high and 7 low so that right motor rotates clockwise. Left motor anti-clockwise, right motor clockwise. This combination move the vehicle forward. Now this is what we saw. Now every time I want to move vehicle forward in my program, I have to write this full set of commands. That is a little cumbersome. So is it possible that instead of writing all these 6 commands, I write only one command as we had in our curious mind blocks? Only one command to take the motor forward. Yes, it is possible, and that can be done using making our own blocks. For that, we need to go to data and blocks. And here, click on make a block. It will ask you to give a name to the block. So in my case, I want to name it as forward. And I say, okay. It creates a block called forward. But at this point in time, this forward has no meaning because we need to define, we need to give meaning to the forward. What do this forward command do? It should actually move the vehicle forward, which is this set of commands. So it should perform these 6 sets of commands. So now this single command actually is performing the task of all the 6 commands, because whenever I use this command forward, I go here and I see what its definition is. Its definition is the left motor should rotate anti-clockwise, right motor should rotate clockwise, means take the vehicle forward. So now I can write a program, Arduino forward. I will give some wait, let's say 2 seconds, and stop. Now for stopping also we can make one more block. We'll create a block called stop, vehicle stop, and we have to define it. Now we know for making the vehicle stop, I need to have polarities of the direction pin same. So here both low and here also both low. 4 and 7, 2 and 3 both are low. So direction pins are both low. And I also need to make the speed 0. So this is a definition of function stop or the block stop. And now I can use this stop block. And I can use these as many times. I will forward, wait 2 seconds, stop. After stopping, let's say for 1 second, I again want to take it forward. Duplicate and put it here. So I went forward, I stopped for 1 second, and again I went forward and stopped. So I can use these commands as many times in my program, and every time they are going to perform this action. So that's how we create our own blocks. In programming parlance, this is called as creating function module. Next, we will make a program using our created blocks. And now let's create a few more blocks. We have created for forward, stop, and let's create a block for taking a hard right turn. So again, make a block, hard right turn. Now see that I have not given any spaces between the 3 words. When you name a block, you should not give any spaces. That is very, very important. Now let's define hard right turn. For defining, I will just duplicate this, put it here. Okay, hard right turn. So for hard right turn, your left motor should go forward, which is what it is doing. It is moving anti-clockwise, that means it is moving forward direction. And your right motor should move backwards. This is right now moving forward direction. To make it move backwards, we will make this low and this high. So now it will move backward. And the combination of these two will ensure that the robot takes a hard right turn. And now let's write a program for moving vehicle in a rectangular fashion. For that, we'll use first forward. Okay, so let's use forward, and then we need some wait. We'll take 2 seconds wait. Then here we'll take a hard right turn, and we know we need 0.3 seconds wait. So we have taken hard right turn, and now we are going to move forward again. Forward. This time it is a smaller side of rectangle, so we will take, let's say, 1.5 seconds wait. And again we will need hard right turn, same. I will duplicate that, hard right turn. Okay, so forward, hard right turn, forward, hard right turn. So I have done from here to here, here to here. And now again, big forward, hard right turn, small forward, hard right turn, which means this big forward because 2 seconds, small forward because 1.5 seconds. So I have to repeat this, which means I can use this 2 times. Repeat, and then I will use command vehicle stop. Just imagine if we had used these 6 commands, we had to use 6 here, 6 more here, 6 more here, 6 more here, and 6 more here. So 25 more blocks we had to write. And now once we have defined them, I can use them in my main program as many times as I want. So you make your own blocks, or you make function modules when we have certain repetitive functionality which is going to be used many times in our main program. We can convert that functionality into one function module. And instead of writing those large number of blocks or large number of lines of code in case of your text programming, you write just a single block or a single line of code. That's the usage of function modules. And the modular programming is very easy to read. If you give proper names to your function modules, anyone who is going to use your program can understand it very easily.